Xposed GH. If today is your first time of tuning into our channel, you know what to do. Subscribe and make sure to turn on your notification button so that anytime we post something, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, when we talk about wickedness and then somebody who does not have a heart, we sometimes think that it is a theory or things like that don't exist, okay? But say a bit too now say yes, there are people like that are born with no heart. They have the heart too, but you get what I'm saying? Like the heart is inside, but because the manner in which some people act or the manner in which some people behave, like you just contemplate and then you so this is an issue with a girl, okay? This morning she spoke to Cavght on Angel TV. Said her mother, her own mother, her biological mother, and yes, or adoptee, no, her own mother who carried her inside her own stomach, that gave birth to her, tried to kill her. And it's the one I'm doing proper. I said, you know, since I've read the story, I've been trying to get the right words to say, but it seems impossible. How can your own mother, along with your own brother, try to kill you? I mean, can you even imagine that? Let's not imagine say something like this can even happen. Your own mother has the heart to kill you just because you found say or knew anyone you are elder. So they don't want you to what? Disgrace them. They don't want you to say anything to anybody, so they just try to just silence you like that. Does it even make sense, guys? Does it? It doesn't make sense to me. So this lady, she was trying hard to talk, but because of the pains now, she was really finding it difficult to talk out. But she tried her best to talk, like to say what happened. Like, she wasn't even staying with you guys. And if you don't even want her around, find something to even tell her. Because she said when she came around, everybody in the community were saying that they are having something. Your mother and your brother, there's something going on between them. But she said it's none of her business. She did not listen to anybody because woman said, and young are 70, why should she even listen to what people are saying about her own mother and her own brother? So she saw it with her own eyes. And then you try to just silence her, putting her unconscious. Wasn't being anymore, wasn't it? Far away run a community, non under so that you can stab her. Akuma Wankasa Fumba. How do they say yes? Wankasa Ufunuma. And then you are doing something like that to her. And I knew your payment sunya could throw a sick kind of one year full pie to the extent say, hey, how, like such heartlessness, what is even happening? Where are we going to? Where are we going to? At the end of the day, what? She'll go to prison. That's all. So if and then you'll be happy that you did something like that to your own child. Do you know what something? Cavht said something. He said he's going to make sure that the lady gets justice. Over making sure that they are justice. He will go to every length to make sure that the lady will get justice. The justice she will get it because you don't need evidence for which evidence do police or court even want again. The evidence is right in front of them. It's the evidence when will they need again. So guys, that is all for today, and I will also make sure that whatever updates that will come on this particular issue, I'll bring it to you guys because it's heartbreaking. I mean, I don't even know what to say again. And yet, it's something else. Your own mother, though she said the man not even take care of her, on one no more. In one year, gross over some day. Thank you so much for tuning in. You already know my name is Salima Al-Hassan, and don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your opinions, your comments are warmly welcome. You know what? That is why we are here for you. Thank you so much.